Welcome back to Motor Insight, the channel where we bring you detailed reviews of the latest motorcycles and scooters. Today, we're looking at a bike that may be small in size but has a legendary reputation, the 2026 Honda CRF50F. For decades, this little machine has been the starting point for countless riders, and in 2026 it continues to shine as one of the best beginner dirt bikes on the market. Design and build. The CRF50F stays true to Honda's classic off-road design. It carries the bold red styling that connects it to the bigger CRF motocross family, giving it a tough, race-inspired look. The frame is steel, built to handle the bumps, drops, and occasional spills that come with learning to ride. Its compact size makes it less intimidating, while the durable plastics and quality finish ensure it looks good for years. For many families, this bike is built to last long enough to be passed down from one young rider to the next. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF50F is a 49 cubic centimeters air-cooled, 4-stroke engine. It doesn't produce massive power, but that's exactly the point. It's smooth, quiet, and predictable, giving new riders just enough to enjoy the thrill of riding while staying safe. The engine pairs with a 3-speed transmission and an automatic clutch. This means no stalling, no confusing clutch lever, and no frustration, just twist, shift, and ride. The bike delivers gentle acceleration and a top speed that's fast enough for fun but safe for beginners. Handling and suspension. Honda designed this bike for control and confidence. With a low seat height of about 22 inches, most kids can touch the ground easily, which is crucial when they're first learning balance. The telescopic fork in the front and single-shock rear suspension are simple yet effective, soaking up bumps on trails and backyards. The 10-inch wheels, fitted with knobby tires, provide solid grip on dirt and grass. Overall, it's stable, easy to handle, and forgiving, qualities every new rider needs. Price in USA. For 2026, the Honda CRF50F is priced around $1,799 in the USA. That's an accessible entry point for families, especially considering the durability, safety features, and the possibility of handing it down to younger siblings. It's a bike that holds its value both in performance and in resale. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda CRF50F isn't about high horsepower or extreme speed, it's about building a love for riding from the very first twist of the throttle. It's safe, reliable, durable, and designed to give young riders confidence. Whether it's a first bike or the beginning of a lifelong riding journey, the CRF50F continues to be a perfect choice for families who want their kids to start with something dependable and fun. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Honda CRF50F. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Insight for more in-depth looks at the latest bikes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.